In this problem, we want to find an equation of the tangent line of the graph at a given point. So we've got f of x is equal to the cube root of x squared minus 4x plus 11 at 1, 2. Now, we want to rewrite this in fractional power form, rational exponents. So that becomes x squared minus 4x plus 11 to the 1/3 power. Whatever number's in your slot right here, that's called your index. That goes in your denominator. And then you put 1 up there. Now, step 1, find our derivative. We can use the chain rule, the general power rule. It says if you got parentheses to a power, take your power, put it out in front. What's inside your parentheses remains as is. Lower your power by 1. So we got 1/3 minus 1. Times the derivative of what's inside your parentheses. So times the derivative of x squared minus 4x plus 11. So that's going to give us 1/3 x squared minus 4x plus 11. 1/3 minus 1 is negative 2/3 times the derivative of x squared is 2x. The derivative of negative 4x is negative 4, and 11 drops away. Now let me write this as a single fraction. So I got 2x minus 4 over 3, and I'll take this parentheses to a negative 2/3 power to the denominator, so it becomes a positive power. So this will become x squared minus 4x plus 11 to the positive 2/3. Now there's not much benefit to simplifying it any further from there, because our very next step, we want to plug in the x part of our point. Well, we're given a point, so this is our x, this is our y. We want to change our derivative notation to m. So, and we're going to plug in 1 for the x. So I got 2 times 1 minus 4 over 3 times 1 squared minus 4 times 1 plus 11 to the 2/3 power. So we got m is equal to 2 times 1 is 2, 2 minus 4 is negative 2, over 3. 1 squared is 1, minus 4 times 1 is 4, or minus 4 I should say, plus 11 to the 2/3 power, which gives us negative 2 over 3. Negative 1, or 1 minus 4 is negative 3, plus 11 is 8. I'll wake up here eventually. So we got 8 to the 2/3. Now you can plug that in your calculator. To plug that in your calculator, you do 8 caret, beginning parentheses, 2 divided by 3, closing parentheses, enter. And that'll simplify it for you. I'm going to show it by hand here. If you got a number to a fractional power, you can rewrite it. You can take the number in the numerator and put it on the outside of a set of parentheses. So the 2/3, I take the 2, put it on the outside of the parentheses. The reason why we do that is we can then rewrite this in radical form. So this becomes the cube root of 8. Now the cube root of 8. 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. This gives us negative 2 over 3. Our index is 3, the number in the slot right here. So our index is 3, which means we want to find 3 of something. Well, we got 3 2's. So the 3 2's comes out in front as a single 2. And the second power carries down. So then we've got negative 2 over 3. 2 squared is 4. Gives us negative 2 over 12, or negative 1/6. Step 3. Plug in a given point for x and y. Up here we said x is 1, y is 2. So put 2 in for the y. M we just said was negative 1/6. And x is 1. Plus b. Then we want to solve for b. Negative 1/6 times 1 is negative 1/6 plus b. Take negative 1/6 to the left side, becomes a positive 1/6. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13, so we got 13 6 equals B. And let's try that again. That should be a B. Okay, step 4, write our answer down. We're going to plug in the M we found in step 2, which is negative 1 6. We'll plug in the B we found in step 3, which is 13 6. And our answer will be y is equal to negative 1 6 plus 13 6. Now let me do a quick check on my math. We got 1 2. If I put 1 in for the x, negative 1 6 times 1 is negative 1 6 plus 13 6 is 12 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So that part checks. Now that doesn't check your entire problem, but that at least checks the last 3 steps. Yeah, maybe the last 3 steps. It's too early in the morning. Anyway, that's our answer.